Coach Alicia here, ready for a snack that's healthy, delicious, high in protein, and tastes like dessert? Let's go. You only need 4 ingredients, an optional fifth if you want to. First, you're going to grab a container of plain Greek yogurt. Bam. Then we're going to add a spoonful of your favorite protein powder. I love using vanilla, but you can use any flavor you want. And then you want to stir until it's completely mixed in. Next, we're going to add a spoonful of your favorite nut butter. Today, I'm using organic peanut butter. And then you're just going to give it a quick little stir. Now's the fun part. Grab about 8 to 10 dark chocolate chips and chuck those beauties in. Give it a nice, gentle stir. Next, this is the optional part. You can get some of your favorite nuts and just chuck a few in. I like to use peanuts, walnuts, sliced almonds too are really good. Another quick little stir. Next, we're going to pop it in the freezer for about 20 to 30 minutes and get excited because, it is going to be yummy. Now we just got to wait. Hooray! This snack has about 25 to 30 grams of protein, and it's about 250 calories, and oh my goodness, it is so, so good. Oh yeah, you're gonna love it. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. You will not regret it.